Are Vita Renew Gummies truly the revolutionary all-natural supplement they claim to be, or are they just another product wrapped in buzzwords and marketing hype? That's what we're uncovering in today's video. VitaRenew.co promotes these gummies as a powerful health solution that can boost immunity, enhance energy levels, balance hormones, improve digestion, and even restore skin and collagen. Quite the list of benefits for a single product. But when we look deeper, several red flags started to appear. First, the website itself feels like a copy-paste template, with no detailed company information, no contact phone number, and generic images that don't inspire much confidence. Their claims of being FDA approved or GMP certified fall apart under scrutiny. There's no actual proof or certification numbers to back that up. On top of that, the domain for VitaRenew.co was only registered in 2025, making it a brand new site with no established history, which is something you should always be cautious of when buying health supplements online. The customer reviews displayed on the page are all glowing 5-star comments, but none of them appear to be verified by third-party platforms, and many read like they were written by a marketing team rather than real users. There's also no mention of side effects, contraindications, or medical disclaimers, which is another warning sign when it comes to ingestible products. We didn't find hard evidence of it being a scam, but there's definitely a lack of transparency, scientific support, and consumer trust enough to make any potential buyer think twice. While the idea of a natural gummy that does it all might be tempting, the reality is far less convincing. If you're still curious and want to try the product yourself, the link is tagged in this video, but we strongly recommend doing thorough research and consulting a healthcare professional before trusting your health to something with so many unanswered questions.